If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come, bring my spirits up. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
I was just walking by this olive tree and started ducking underneath it, and 2 hummingbirds flew out. So I'm thinking I may have disturbed their nest. Where's my camera? So baby hummingbirds. It's got no baby egg in it though. Either way, I'm sure they're watching me. To be continued.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.